This is the Ellis Martin Report. I'm Ellis Martin from Money Talk Radio. Let me take you now to New South Wales, Australia, because something very interesting is happening there, and involves a metal most people haven't thought about, antimony. Antimony isn't glamorous like gold or lithium, but it is critical. It's used in flame retardants, semiconductors, military applications, and increasingly in energy-related technologies. Governments care about it, and when governments prioritize a metal, capital tends to follow. Australia has included antimony in its critical mineral strategic reserve, part of a $1.2 billion national strategy. That matters. Red Mountain Mining Limited, trading on the ASX as RMX, and in the U.S. on the OTCQB as RMXFF, has just announced spectacular surface results from its 100% owned Armidale Antimony-Gold Project at Oaky Creek in northeastern New South Wales. Rock chip samples return antimony grades as high as 34.3%, 23.1%, and 19.1% antimony. These are exceptionally high concentrations, especially for surface samples. 11 out of 13 samples collected return more than 1.9% antimony, indicating a coherent mineral system rather than isolated results. Mineralization at Oaky Creek North now extends over a 1.6 kilometer strike length. Combined with Oaky Creek South, the system spans roughly 3 kilometers. Geologically, this is a vein-style orogenic antimony gold system, considered analogous to the Hillgrove Project, Australia's largest antimony deposit. Gold and arsenic are also present, reinforcing the multi-metal nature of the system. All work so far has been surface-based, rock chips, soils, and auger sampling. No drilling has yet taken place. Red Mountain is currently completing tighter-spaced auger sampling, with results expected shortly, and plans to drill test Oaky Creek in the first half of 2026. A high-resolution airborne magnetic and radiometric survey is also planned to better define structures and identify additional targets. This project sits along the Peel Fault System, a major geological structure with more than 400 known mineral occurrences, but surprisingly little modern exploration. Red Mountain Mining has projects across Australia, the United States, and Canada, but Oaky Creek is clearly its current flagship focus. This is early-stage exploration. There are no resources yet, but the combination of high-grade surface results, scale, geological analogues, and government support is what attracts attention. If drilling confirms continuity at depth, this story could evolve quickly. For investors tracking critical and strategic metals, the company to remember is Red Mountain Mining. Again, trading on the ASX as RMX, and on the OTCQB in the U.S. is RMXFF. The Ellis Martin Report and Money Talk Radio have been compensated by Red Mountain Mining Limited for investor awareness and media services. This material is not investment advice. Please do your own due diligence before making investment decisions. For Money Talk Radio and the Ellis Martin Report, I'm Ellis Martin.